Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. So it's all about curry, one of my favorites. Nice comfort food, especially with some rice, some cucumber chow, onion chow. All about this curry seim with shrimp in it. So this is what the seim looks like. I actually enjoy this quite a lot actually. In a nice curry, it goes down real good with dal and rice, or even with just rice alone. So we're gonna have to remove the strings, this on this end and on this end. So it's basically two ends, and then I just cut them in half, open it out because there's seeds in there. So basically you're just going to remove like string just like that from one end. And then you normally do it on the next end too. And when you open it out, see there's seeds in it. I just like to cut it in half, open it like that. So these shrimp are nice size. So when you peel your shrimp, just cut on the back here. Now there's the shrimp stuff you can use, but I don't have it. So a knife will work. Slide it down there. We're just going to remove that from it. So to the shrimp, we've already cleaned it out there. So we're going to be adding some curry. I'm going to be using this hot curry. Going to be adding some turmeric powder, like we call it saffron powder here, just a pinch of it, salt, black pepper, and of course we're going to be adding some green seasoning to it as well. So we've got all the same here prepared, cleaned, cut up, already washed. Got the shrimp all seasoned up here. Also have some onions, garlic, hot pepper, pimento, some coconut milk. So other ingredients will be our cooking oil, salt, and black pepper. So our oil is heating in our pot. We're going to be sauteing the onions, the garlic, hot peppers, the tomatoes. Then we're going to be adding some curry powder, and we're going to be toasting that up for a few minutes on low heat. Add some water to it. And then we're just going to let it thicken up a bit, and then we're going to add everything else. How could we forget the curry leaves? So we're going to add the curry leaves there. Normally you would saute that when you add the onions, you'll cook that up one time there, but it's okay. So now that we have this paste here, let's add our seim. In goes our coconut milk. The heat now is more on the medium side, and we just going to let this cook because the shrimp is going to cook so quickly. We want them to make sure that this seam cooks down properly first before we add the shrimp. We don't want to have overcooked shrimp. So I'm going to cover this and let this cook for a couple of minutes. It could take a few minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes. Let's check on it. So they can cook down it could cook for a little longer. So we're just gonna cover it back again and let it do its thing. So I left it cooking for a further 5 minutes. So it's like 20 minutes now it's been cooking. So now we're going to add our shrimp. Now I'm going to add some green season. You can add as much as you like. I'm also adding some roasted Geera to finish it off. Salt and black pepper going in as well. Of course, you taste it and adjust it according to your preferences. So that shrimp will not take long at all to cook. So we're going to leave the cover off, and we're just going to let it thicken up, keeping my heat on low there. So once it's done, this is what it's going to look like. And to eat it, I'm actually going to be having this with some rice, some cucumber chow, and onion chow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For those of you who aren't familiar with seim, try adding something else to it, like the shrimp like I did. Trust me, goodness. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.